Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. From title you guys know today's topic. Yes, I want to update you my Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 repair status, and I also want to share with you what happened to my Chanel handbags. I posted both in my Instagram, so in today's video I will share with you both bags. I also want to let you guys know why I want to take a break from Louis Vuitton. Lastly, in this video I will share with you my new handbag from Myrta. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So if you follow me, you guys know when I do the unboxing of the Speedy 20, I talk about the quality issues. That's one part of leather. It was splitting. After I show you guys, I decided to go back to Louis Vuitton to fix that, because the one I have is made in France. I thought it's very difficult to get another one. So I waited about 4 months to go back to Louis Vuitton because I couldn't really find the time to go. So this time I finally went there, and unfortunately they tell me that to fix this little problem, it's gonna take 28 weeks, which is 7 months. I was so surprised, so I decided to leave the bag in the store, let them to repair. So after 2 weeks, I received a letter. They said that they cannot fix this problem. Seems it's very difficult for them to glue it. So I went back to exchange it, and that day happened to be Chanel 22B first day lunch. I was taking this chance. I went to the Louis Vuitton and also went to Chanel. So first step, I went to the Chanel and I was wearing the Chanel Easy Carry flap bag, and also I was wearing Louis Vuitton belt. So this is what happened. When I'm wearing the Louis Vuitton belt start to melting. When I arrived to the Chanel boutique, I happened to notice on the back of my Chanel Easy Carry flap bag all has a glue on that. That was melting from my Louis Vuitton belt. I was so freaked out and I was so worried about my bag. So finally I went into the Chanel repair department. They took a look at my bag and they told me that they cannot do anything about it. It's just like that. They cannot fix that. So asked me to go back to the Louis Vuitton, see if they can do anything. So I went to the Louis Vuitton. First of all, I just quickly changed my bag. So here is the bag. This is after they exchanged it to me, and it happened to be also made in France. However, as you can see, this thing I feel like potentially it's gonna happen again, but I really have no choice. I couldn't really talk much about this bag at that time because I'm still worried about my Chanel bag. So I just quickly look at it and see everything fine, then I took it back. Then I sit down, talk to the sales in the Louis Vuitton. I showed them, you know, I'm wearing this belt and it started to melting on my Chanel bag. And they was shocked too. They took the picture. The guy helped me. He's saying that he's gonna report to the manager and he will email to me. And unfortunately, I didn't receive any email, but that's fine with me. Got out the laser cleanser and he said, let me try to clean. So he showed me this one. Actually, I took the picture when I get home. I bought this bottle from Amazon and this is really good. I will link this one into my description box. If you guys want to try out this one. This is good. And he said, let me try in the little spot. So he did try very gently. So unfortunately, it doesn't come off. So he said, you know, I cannot do anything. So let's just wait, see what our manager gonna do anything about it. This guy was really nice. I cannot complain about this guy. I waited about 2 days and I didn't receive any emails. After 2 days, I didn't receive any email, so I start to clean by myself. And meanwhile, I received a lot of you guys messages tell me, give me the suggestion what to do, and I really appreciate it. I really love this community and everybody is so helpful, you know. You guys like tell me how to do it, what to do it. And in here, I just wanted to say thank you everyone. And I did post my picture in the Instagram, so a lot of people saw what happened with my bag. So you guys just give me some suggestion what to do. So I did very well at the beginning, but because it's a lot of the spots, so I kind of like lost the patience. I want to do quickly as much as possible, so I just do it very hard. Fortunately, I was able to get rid of them. So I'm gonna show you right now. This is my bag. However, because I do too quick and too hard, you can see some a line that I rubbed it very bad. So it does like showing. I don't remember I see and before, so I was compare the picture that I posted in the IG. I don't really see that line, but now I see. I think maybe I did like too hard on the leather, so it has the line, just the part that has a glue on it. So but I feel it's so much better, you know. At least, you know, I could get rid of those glue, and I was very happy about that. And at the beginning, after I clean up, I still see like a little bit of dot there, so I continue to wear this bag about 2 weeks. I let the bag rub in my clothes to get it out of the glue. Unfortunately, it's getting better and better. So right now, I literally cannot see anything left on the bag. So I was very happy. So this is the thing I really wanted to update you guys, because you guys is so nice to text me, email me, tell me what to do. And this is what happened right now. After this whole thing, I just feel so bad about it, and I just feel so tired about the Louis Vuitton right now. And for the last 2 years, I haven't really buy anything from Louis Vuitton except this Speedy 20, and I'm thinking I'm gonna take a break from this brand. I don't really want to buy anything from there. You know, every time when I receive a new piece, it makes me nervous to examine, to inspect it, anything wrong with the item. It shouldn't be like this kind of feeling. It should be very happy, and it's like no worry things, you know. So expensive items, I have to inspect them so careful, and it makes me nervous. So I'm thinking like, that's it, I'm no more Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna take a break. I don't know when I will start to buy again, but for now I just have no desire to buy any item from Louis Vuitton. So this is the thing I want to share with you. Next thing I want to show you guys the new bag from Myrta. So here is the bag. This is another brown bag. See how obsessed I am about the brown color right now. So this is another bag from Myrta. The name of this bag is Sarah. This bag was made by the Italian artisan, and it is made by 100% Italian leather, made in Italy. Let me just quickly show you the feature of this bag. It is the brown color with a gold hardware, and the leather is a calf skin leather. It is very durable, like pebble leather. And you can see it comes with the lock and the key. Back there has a piece of the metal. It has the artisan's name. The bottom has a 4 feet. When you open this bag, you will see the interior is a leather. Back there has a slipper pocket, and the piece of the leather has the artisan's name and the saying made in Italy. It also comes with the removable strap. This strap length is so perfect for you to wear as a shoulder bag or crossbody. So it's, for me, it's a perfect. I'm 5'2". The handle was made by bamboo. It made this bag so unique and so special. Myrta has a very good quality of the handbag. They all handmade handbags. As you can see, it is very big room, so definitely can fit all your essentials. So this bag currently sells $457. By the time I upload a video, you will get an additional discount for this bag, because they're going to have have an entire sale in the August all the way to August 28. I highly recommend to take advantage on that. You will find a lot of handbag with a good quality and affordable price. So next thing I will show you guys the capacity of this bag. So now I will show you the capacity of this bag, and right now I fill everything into this bag right there, and I'm gonna show you what's inside quickly. My reading glasses, my 4 key holder, pocket organizer, and my knit shirt. I also have my iPhone 13 and my car key and my 6 key holder. And I'll give you the screenshot. Everything was inside the bag, so this bag can hold a lot. So as you can see, this bag can fit so much. Definitely can use it as a everyday's, weekends, or even for the occasionals. So this bag is very versatile. I highly recommend it. So this is all about today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.